Hello friends, I am Shabnil Banerjee and today I am going to show you my latest Rubik's Cube and I am going to unbox the Rubik's Cube from the packet. So here I have the Rubik's Cube. Yes, it is here on my hands. Here you can find the image of Felix and Dex. So I am reading what is written on the Rubik's Cube packet. It is written that it is the world's record magic cube by YJ Cube series. The name of the magic cube is Linggan. Yeah, it is a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I am showing that. Could you find out? Yes, it is written here. And here it is written that world champion Felix MDX YG Cube series break the new world record for 7.49 seconds by world champion Felix MDX. Yes, you can find out from this part. Could you read? And here the time is written 7.49 seconds and it is the image of Felix. Here the age rating is 6+. So friends, if you are 6 years old, then the cube is really great for you. I think so. And here the pieces of cubes are shown on the packet, and here it is also given here that the cube, how the cube is made, and the pieces and everything about the cube. So I am going to unbox the cube. It is the cube came in a sealed packet, so I am skipping the video for 1 minute to unbox, and then I'll show you how the cube helps us to solve it. So friends, here I have unboxed the cubes. I have cut the sealed pieces. I have the cut pieces in my hands. I have skipped 1 minute to cut the pieces, and here I am going to unbox the cube. So let's unbox it. Oh wow, it's the cube. We have the cube on our hands, and it is the instruction. And here I am going to take this part. Now I am going to show the instruction paper. It is a little instruction paper. I am showing you that. To find out. And the second side. Okay, next I am going to show you the cube. Oh wow, it is really a great cube, and I am showing you the corner cutting. Find out which I am showing you. I am showing you this. Look at the centerpiece. Here, could you find out some gaps in the pieces? Yes, I found. Look here. It is called corner cutting. If I take this part, okay, look here. These parts are not in same position. Now I am going to move this piece. Okay. Look, this came in same position without using my finger or any power to the cube. So this is a good cube, and now I am going to show you this part. It is a cube that can't pop out because here on the packet it is written that it has the anti-popping technology here. You can find out from this part. Here it is written that it has the anti-popping technology. And now I am going to do its first solve. I think that it is a stickerless Rubik's Cube because there is no sticker. These all are separate pieces. Yes, it is full Linggan Rubik's Cube. It doesn't comes out, or the cube is too soft to use. I think the cube is shuffled enough to solve now. And now I am going to solve it. First I should take some time to look on the cube. Okay, now I am going to make it first solve. The cube looks really cool because here the cube is too fast to use, and it is not a tutorial, so I am doing it fast. If you want to solve it like me, you can check out my last videos and solve it like them. And now I am going to solve the F2L full cube. It is the vowel, and now I am going to do 4 steps. One is done, and the last 3. Could you find that how much soft the cube is? So our OLL is solved, and we shall not solve the PLL because it is solved. Yeah, it is solved. And now I am doing this because here it is written that we can take out these pieces, and in sometimes I looked at the pieces are not stable in their position, so I am doing this to show that the pieces doesn't come out if you don't want. So the cube is really cool, and the cube is one of the chair cube series, and I am again talking about the brand because it is the brand that Mr. Felix Mdex also used, the Australian cube solver. Still it is today 2017, and still he is the second speedest cube solver in the world, and he has the fastest cube average. And here the cube was manufactured in 2013, and by that time the record of the average was 7.49 seconds, and the record was made by Felix Mdex. Yeah, we can find out the image, and everything is written on the cube. The cube is really great, and I think that the cube is perfect for me. So friends, thank you for watching my channel. If you like the cube, please try to buy it, and thank you for watching my channel. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are going to dislike our videos, please write in the comment box that why you are disliking our videos. Thanks for watching our channel. Please subscribe. Goodbye friends for this time. Bye bye.